Buffalo fans rejoice. Popeyes got you covered. Hey, what's good, Smack Pack? We are back at Popeyes because they came out with another variation of their world famous chicken sandwich. Now the thing is, remember back when the chicken sandwich first came out? It was $3.99. Now, $4.50. And you already know why. But in this one right here, where they just got the special buffalo ranch sauce, $5. What? Crazy, right? You guys already know what's going on though. You know why the prices have gone up. I mean, I couldn't believe they were $4 to begin with, but you know, they went up now, so gotta blame someone. Anyways, inside the bag right here, got some napkins, of course. And nothing else, but we got the sandwich here, nice and hot. Ooh, they even got the sticker on it, so it must be right. We got that Buffalo Ranch limited edition sticker, boy. Yeah, all right. Love that chicken sandwich. Popeye's chicken sandwich, you know, standard stuff. And it just smells like a chicken sandwich. Hopefully when I open it, still just smells like a chicken sandwich. I can definitely smell that pickle action. You guys can take a quick look. What do you guys think? Hopefully you can see it. Let's see. Oh, of course it's whatever. So let's pull this thing on out. Okay. Nothing else. Oh, this is new. They didn't have this little wrapper. I'm not gonna call it what you think I'm gonna call it because I'm not stupid. But we got this little wrapper here, and it's actually enclosed instead of just wrapped around. It's pretty cool. So let's pull it out. We don't need it. Oh, just made a mess a little bit. We might need it. But here we go. We got the Buffalo Ranch chicken sandwich for $5 right here. Chicken, of course, is looking fabulous. Now the question is, what's on it? Oh, there we go. Ooh, that's some dark sauce. Look at that Buffalo Ranch. So it's supposed to be like a ranch with buffalo. Crazy, right? There we go. No pickles, but on the bottom, we got, we got, is that one pickle? Yeah, one thick pickle and one little pickle. But we got some more sauce on the bottom. I could use some more sauce. I mean, it might be all right, but you know, gotta throw some on there. They should literally toss this thing in. But yeah, let's see if this is, you know, I'll try out the sauce first. Definitely tastes like buffalo, has some spice to it. Not really tasting like ranch. Maybe a little bit. Okay, it's definitely buffalo. Yeah. I'm gonna die. Bruh. That was pretty dry. Why do I have hiccups? What's going on? Okay. Crispity crunchity as expected. Kind of dry. Like I was saying, I should have tossed this in the sauce. Man. That one bite almost killed me. Whew. Shall we? Yeah. So far, man. Okay, so far, not much buffalo ranch sauce as I was expecting because I didn't see that much. You can see we're starting to ease onto it. It's coming through. So now this next bite should have some and a lot of pickles and then no more pickles because it's all in one spot. Huh. I don't know, at this point I was expecting to, I mean look, I already ate like half of it. I was expecting to taste the buffalo. This is weird. Like, I'm not tasting the buffalo at all. If I really look for it, there's a slight aftertaste of buffalo, barely. I mean, we got a nice chunk of chicken here. Looking good. On the dry side, but more or less I prefer to be on the drier side. More or less, it kind of depends. And this is actually pretty dry. This is weird because every other time I've gotten a chicken sandwich, I always got the spicy version. Granted, this was back when it was $4, not $4.50. But it always had a lot of sauce. Somehow this one is 50 cents more and doesn't really have any sauce. I don't taste it at all. At this point, it just tastes like I'm eating a chunk of white meat chicken. And the chicken's really dry. It's usually not this dry. Now, of course, you know, depends. Look at the draw, but the sauce situation, inexcusable. See, if it had more sauce on it, it wouldn't be as dry. That's where they missed the mark. It's kind of hard to eat. God, this is really dry. I've never had one this dry before. This one had to be over fried or something. And like, the funny thing is, I don't even taste like Cajun seasoning in the chicken or anything. Man, all right. So there we have it. On a scale of 1 to 10, Popeyes all new Buffalo Ranch chicken sandwich for $5. I gotta say it diddles, man. I mean, what are they doing? What are they doing? You're charging 50 cents more, giving you a little bloop of sauce. Really? I mean, come on, it's like there's nothing there. I didn't taste any buffalo unless I licked the sauce by itself, and even then, there wasn't that much. It was just, bloop. Man, plus the chicken was dry. Didn't have enough sauce to make it not dry. Hard to eat. What? That's weird. I don't know what's going on, but that was a fail right there. What I would recommend you doing, because I think it's basically gonna be the same thing. Maybe it's actually gonna be better. What you're gonna have to do is, get the regular chicken sandwich or the spicy one, whatever one you want. You can get no sauce on it if you really want to because of this plan. Ask for, a side of their dipping sauce, get some blackened ranch and some Bayou Buffalo, and bam! Pour that on there, it's gonna be wet. I think that's the same thing. I don't know why it's 50 cents more. You get the sauce for free. Come on, man, how's Popeyes gonna do this to me? Every other time I had a chicken sandwich, it was fire. Somehow this time, man, come on. It's some sauce, put some on. It's like the special. Buffalo Ranch, you gotta put Buffalo Ranch on the sandwich. If you guys tried it out for yourself, let me know if you had more sauce and if yours wasn't as dry. I don't know, this thing was just completely out of there. Man. Thumbs up, subscribe button, get that merch. Social media, I'll see y'all in the next one.